Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is Topic Beauty. We are going to create this super cute little bit on the glammy side look with some bold lips to head to work. Stick around. I am going to use Uma Beauty Stay Woke foundation in Fair Lady T2W. Just gonna put some pumps on there and just put that all over my face. I don't know why I'm whispering. This foundation is a little warmer than I usually use. It's a little more yellow. I'm trying it out, see what happens. Bought myself some Uma Beauty since I had to buy a new foundation anyway. I bought two. I bought the one I always use and then a new one. Actually, I didn't buy the one I always use. I thought I did. It's a different color. It's a T2C, but I made a mistake online. I'll try this one another day. But anyway, this is in the color T2. I love the foundation so much, I wanted to try the concealer. As I was saying, I like the feel of this. It's thick without feeling heavy. And this brush is a Makeup Institute 3 S307. It's just a foundation brush. But it's just a foundation brush. But if you can find another use for any of your brushes, have at it. I'm going to use this Winky Lux oil. It's a lip oil. I'm going to use it on my lip. I got a little bit of a fat lip. That's not why I'm using this, but I want to try it. It smells like what's that drink? What's that drink that they mix with vodka and milk? Kahlua. That's what it smells like. It feels good. What was I gonna do? Oh, set my face. I have a new contour palette that I want to try, but we're not going to do it today because I don't have time. I don't have the extra time for contouring. I'm going to take this fluffy brush right here. This is a Sigma Dual Fiber Powder Blush Brush. It's an F15. I'm going to pick up, what's that called? Vanilla? No, it's called Bright Sky in Lunar Beauty Outer Dimensions palette, and I'm just going to set that under eye and around my nose and mouth. Fluffy brush. This is a Makeup Institute S301, and I'm going to pick up Pink Sky and do the outer part of my face. Not even enough worth talking about, but although I feel like that foundation kind of set itself. I got this bronzer. It's Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I've heard it's the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. Ooh, try saying that 3 times fast. It was $13.28 at Walmart. I've heard a lot of good things about it, and I've always been resistant to buy it. But then I saw it on an end cap when I was at Walmart yesterday, and I was like, I'll buy that. It was a, what do you call it, like an impulse buy. But we're going to do that. It's a cute little container. It's plastic, but you got to press this little button for this little jigger to pop open. This is cute. It's very natural looking. Will be once I blend it better. And then I just take a fluffier brush. This is Real Techniques 400. Their brushes are nice and inexpensive. And they're quite nice, actually. All right, for blush today, we are going to use She's Seductive by Patrick Ta. And I've got this Laura Lee Los Angeles L13 brush. We're just going to smack that on because this is going to be a very neutral look. Neutral is a very easy go-to look if you've only got a short amount of time. Excuse me, then I'm just going to take my sponge and kind of smooth that out. So this is Gerard Cosmetics. That's what it looks like on top. It is called Clean Canvas Eye Base in the color Fair. All right. I got these new palettes from Colourpop. This is my first delivery of what will be a total of 3 over the next week and a half or so. I got this one here. The focus of my order that day was this Star Wars. It's called Darth Vader. That's the front. That's the back. The carton looks exactly the same. Look at this palette. This is so pretty. This is what I wanted to use today, but I can't because I don't have time to screw around. I literally have 15 minutes. I bought it because of that red right there. The whole palette is beautiful, but that red. And this color, Dark Side, underneath it, it's black with like a red shimmer. Like a red shimmer in it. Can't wait to dig into that. I want to use the red is really why I want to, and I'm not sure how it's going to blend, so I don't want to have a fight. This is the Nightmare Before Christmas palette. That's the back. This is so pretty. And I didn't buy it when it first came out, but I think I got it on sale. I didn't buy it when it first came out. I don't really know what. Look at the inside of the cartons. Everything about Colourpop is like the attention to detail for everything is so cool. But the palette we're going to use today is the third palette I got in that shipment. Is this little quad here called Down to Earth. That's so cute. There's no shimmer in it, so we're going to improvise, but that's what we're going to use. All right, I've got this Refer 01 brush. This is a natural hair brush. It's a natural hair brush. We're going to go ahead and pick up this color right here. I think it's called Jeepers. The Senses. It's too small. I can't read it. So luckily it was on the box. Let's pick that up here. And this is my technique for, I want to make it look like I spent time on my makeup, but I really didn't. Look at how easily that color is going on. I'm just cleaning my brush off on a towel because I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to pick up this color right here, this lighter color, which is called Grounded. I'm going to bring that kind of over everything that I just did and up. And as there's less color on my brush, I'm just going to bring it all the way up to my brow. Okay. The next little fun thing we can do to zhuzh up a look that we really didn't spend a lot of time on, but you want to look like you spent a lot of time on. I've got this Colourpop brush. It is E24. I'm going to use this NYX glitter glue. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. NYX glitter glue. I'm going to put some on my hand. So it's just like, it looks like an eye base, kind of, this particular one. Honestly, this is the only one I've ever used. I've never tried any of the other brands, so I can't speak to whether they're good or not. I'm not putting glitter on, but I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my brush, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Now, you don't have to put the eyeshadow down first. You can just do this, but I'm going to use a Super Shock shadow. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye quick. And all that's doing is giving my Super Shock shadow something sticky to cling to. Here, which is 20K1 and, oh no, this is Catitude and this is Lightning Bug. So we're going to take Lightning Bug on my finger and we're going to just tap that right onto that sticky base, which is drying because I was talking. We're bringing that. Cute. All right, clean my hand off on my towel, and I'm going to pick up this color, Catitude, and I'm just going to do the inner corner. So just on a small smudger brush. This is the It brushes from It Cosmetics. This is so old. I'm going to pick up this color right here. Just on the tip of the brush. Whoops. Okay, and on a very thin eyeliner brush, this one just happens to be from Hip Dot. Oh. I'm going to take this color right here, which is called I can't tell you the color because I can't see it, even on the carton. I'll find out when I have my glasses and I'll tell you. I'll put it up on the screen. I'm going to use this. I'm just going to pick it up on the very tip of the brush and press that into my eyelashes. This is a very, very, very pigmented black. I'm going to do just the lash line on this pencil brush from Refer. This is a 03 brush. I'm going to pick up this Ice Dream from the Dreamery collection, and I'm going to put that right in my inner corner. I'm also going to take it right here under the arch of my brow. All right, that is a super basic, very cute. We used three of the eyeshadows in here. You could really only use one if you wanted, but I used two. 3 super sharp shadows. Alright, for highlighter today we are going to use High Volt by Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. And since we were talking about it earlier, I got this little brush from Real Techniques. It's called a setting. The name on it says setting brush. I don't honestly know what that means, except I don't know. But anyway, it's the Real Techniques RT402. I'm gonna pick up. This is a loose highlighter. It's so pretty. Wait till you see it. Pick up a little bit of that. I'm just gonna put that right here. Look at that. Nelly. Put that on my nose. Okay, so since our look is super basic, I thought I would give this Make It Black Badass Free Uma Beauty. It's a matte lipstick. Let me find a lip liner. Okay. All right. This is in the color Firebird. All right, this is in the color Ruby. And that is red. Okay. I think it looks kind of pink on camera, but in real life, it is red. I like it. I'm gonna zhuzh up my lip liner. Kind of white metallic-y, sort of looks like the inner corner highlight that I have. This is from Glam Light. I think the color is called Vodka. It came with that wine, the wine collection. I'm going to put it on my finger and just tap it. I use this Slay All Day by GRWM Cosmetics. The scent watermelon. It smells so good. I think we might have went a little overboard. Okay, super simple, super basic, but still looks a little on the glammy side. Okay, that's the face, that's the look. What do you think? I like it. It's cute, it's clean. Bold lips, yes, but it's my thing. I like it. I got lipstick on my teeth. Anyway, let me just say this, I see what the fuss is about. It's very, very cute. Very cute. Anyway, that's the face. That's the look. I hope you like it. I like it. I am going to head my behind to work now. You know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe down below. So you know next time I upload a video. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.